Here I am going to give you some instruction to solve the programming assignment week 10. So let us see how to solve the first programming assignment in week 10. So they will give one input that consists of matrix row and column. You want to shift that matrix to 90-degree. So normally here the first input will be row and column value, that is 2 row 3 column, 3 row 2 column, 3 row 3 column. So accordingly you have to get the input. Actually here, if, how it shifted, see the input matrix is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you want to shift 90 degrees so that 4 5 6 it should be the first column, then 1 2 3 as the second column. So normally if you convert row to, so how will you access those elements initially? This will be a row 0, this will be row 1. Okay, so if you want to shift, so you will make this row 0 as the column 0 1. So that's how we will interchange I and j. But here, instead of interchanging the rows 0 as column 1, you want to make this row 1 as column 1. That's the trick here you want to use. So suppose if you are having three rows, let us assume you are having three rows, R1, R2, or 3. In that case, R3 will be the 5, 6. R3 will be the first column, R2 will be the second column. Okay, so you want to change accordingly so that you will get the correct answer. So reversely, you want to make the column R3 as the first column, R2 as the second column, followed by R1, that is R2, R1, and R0. So instead of making a row into column, that is in the order 0, 1, 2, if you follow it in a reverse order 2, 1, 0, you can able to obtain the answer for this week 1, assignment 1, week 10 assignment 1. So in the next problem statement, programming assignment 2, you want to check whether the given matrix is a square matrix, given square matrix is a magic square or not. So what is the rule for magic square? If you want to add all those rows, you will get equal answer value. Likewise, if you add all the column value, you will get the same sum value, and if you add diagonally also, you will get the same sum value. How I solve this one means it's the same thing. I found the row value and put that value into a list. So I will have a list consists of three value. Similarly, what I did, I find the column sum and put it in another list. So I at the end I check whether two lists are equal. At the same time, I found the value diagonally also, this diagonal value, this thing, diagonal sum, diagonal, a row diagonal, that is from right hand to left hand and left hand to right hand, and I verified whether that value also is similar, same. So if it is similar, you have to return it as yes. If it is not, you want to return it as no. So even though we are having the row value 3 3, but if you add the diagonal value, it's not equal. So in that case, it's false. So that is the trick I use to solve this problem statement. Next, programming assignment 3, here you want to create a next dictionary concept. So how will you do this? So first you want to get the input number of records, then accordingly you will collect those input. So record 1, record 2. For record 1, so you can have this as train name, that is the key for the station dictionary. And value, what you can do, you can create a empty dictionary, then get this input number as the in a variable. According to this input variable, you can loop and get the compartment detail, these two input, and make it as another dictionary entry. At the end, you can, so after reading each entry, you can add all those, or you can add all those individual entries in a separate new dictionary. At the end, you can add that value as the initial dictionary. So in the initial outer dictionary station, you are having the key as Mumbai Express. For that, you can add this inner dictionary as the value at the end. So at the end of the for loop, you will add this next dictionary as the value for the Mumbai key. So first try to create a dictionary with key Mumbai, and you have to give the value as empty dictionary. So for that empty dictionary, at the end of the loop, you will add the value. So if you do like this, definitely you can able to solve this problem statement also. Maximum it may take half an hour to 1 hour to solve this problem statement. Thank you.